So my name is Francesco Mazzei. I'm a chef. I'm running 3 beautiful restaurants in London, and I'm proud ambassador of the Welsh lamb. Today I'm doing lamb involtini, which is basically a cannon lamb brochette with pancetta breadcrumbs with some pickled mushroom. Very nice, very different, and very, very Italian, with the Welsh lamb, of course. We're using the cannon because you can cut more precise, and then you beat them up with the rolling pin, and then it makes small brochette. When we make them, we put a true branch of rosemary. So when you cook, you got the lovely rosemary flavor. And of course, this one we need to pan fry it, but you can easily do this on the barbecue, on the grill. Okay? But the reason I'm pan frying them because I'm gonna do a small sauce, the glazing them a bit. And the key thing is the balance between the sweetness of the lamb, the pungent feeling of the brochette, but also the pickled mushroom on top, which will give a bit of acidity. So a kind of complex dish. And we serve this with a very simple mashed potato, with of course local potatoes. Because the simplicity of those recipes, people will definitely replicate this at home. Well, the top tips to cook Welsh lamb really depends on the cut you're using. Okay, we love the shank, for example, which you do kind of a Ossobuco style. We do the involtini, which, as I said to you before, is like a lovely brochette. But I love also the ragu with the lamb, kind of Bolognese style, but with the shoulder. It's also a fantastic way. I mean, it's very, very versatile. It really depends which cut you're using. Summer, a hot day like this, it has to be like a lamb chop on the grill with salsa verde, and you're a winner. I was absolutely blown away from the way this little beast they've been looked after, what they eat, how they eat, and the family behind it, the passion and the hard job. So for me, there's a good story to tell to my customers, but also to teach to my chef. So while we're cooking that meat, after that visit, we respect the meat even more.